One of my client asking me how to troubleshooting when smiley emoji disappear. The reason smiley emoji disappear is because EA Robot is disattached from the chart. Maybe when you restart computer, so FBS MT4 is closed, so robot is disattached. Maybe you open new chart, and not yet add an EA Robot onto the chart. Let me open a new chart. As you can see when I open new chart, and there is no smiley emoji, because EA Robot is not added to the chart yet. Click the chart menu at bottom, see my old chart has smiley emoji mean this chart has EA Robot. Now let me open many new charts. As you can see all new chart do not have smiley emoji. Only old chart has emoji. It is easy to check if this chart has added EA Robot. Simply right-click any empty black color background on the chart. Then check if there is Expert Advisors on the menu. If you cannot find Expert Advisors on the menu, then it means this chart doesn't has EA Robot yet. Now go back to new chart which doesn't has robot yet. So how to add EA Robot onto new chart? Simple. Just drag the EA file from left menu to the new chart. Then click OK. Make sure it is smile happy emoji, and not sad face. Make sure it is H1 chart, because my EA Robot works well on H1 chart. Make sure it is pound sterling to US dollar, because my EA Robot works well on this bear. If you still have problem on EA Robot installation, kindly email me at sweet.girl.forex@gmail.com.